We didn't really plan to stop in Gravina, and that's exactly why it worked. This place feels like one of those quiet surprises, the kind you almost miss if you just follow the main route through Puglia. Gravina sits right on the edge of a deep limestone ravine, carved slowly over thousands of years. The town doesn't just overlook it, it grows out of it. Houses, churches, even entire neighborhoods seem to be part of the rock itself. The bridge, Ponte Aquedotto. At first glance, it looks like a film set, but it's very real, and it's been standing here since the 17th century. It once carried water into the city, but today, it's the connection between the new town and what feels like another world on the other side. Crossing it is something else. On one side, the town. On the other side, silence, caves, and a landscape that feels almost untouched. If this place looks familiar, you're not imagining it. Gravina had its moment on screen in No Time to Die. That dramatic opening scene, parts of it were filmed right here, using this bridge and the surrounding cliffs. And honestly, standing here, you can see why. We are now in Gravina, the oldest city in Puglia.
So, to start Puglia, you have to start from oldest to youngest. Newest.
The old town of Gravina is one of those places you don't rush. Narrow streets, warm stone, small details everywhere. It's less polished than places like Alberobello or Ostuni, but that's part of its charm. It feels lived in, real. But what makes Gravina really different is what's hidden underneath. This area is part of a much larger network of caves and rock-cut structures. Some of them were homes, some were churches, some go back to medieval times and even earlier. People here didn't just build on the land, they built into it. Standing inside these spaces, you start to realize how connected life was to the landscape. Natural shelter, stable temperatures, protection, everything's shaped by the rock. What we like most about Gravina is that it doesn't try too hard. It's not crowded. It doesn't demand attention. But if you give it a bit of time, it stays with you. For us, this was just a small detour. Gravina isn't loud about what it offers. You just have to be willing to pause and look a little closer. Gravina in Puglia was a last-minute stop, and one we're glad we didn't skip. A town shaped by a deep ravine, with a bridge that feels almost unreal, and layers of history carved into its rock. It's quieter, less visited, but full of character, the kind of place you explore at your own pace. We walked through its old streets, crossed the iconic bridge, and stepped into caves that tell stories from centuries ago. Not on every itinerary, but maybe it should be.